Tonya from Tonya's Bakeshop, and today I'm going to be going over a long band rear delt fly. So to start, you're just going to need a long band. This one is from tonyasbakeshop.com. If you'd like to shop and support, the link is below in my description box. So you're going to loop the band around a nice stable surface or attachment point, and you want the band attachment to be at your shoulder's height. So when you're standing, you're going to be facing away from the band, and the band is going to be parallel to your shoulder. You're going to grab the band with your opposite arm and then have your arm at a soft bend. Leading with your wrist, you're going to pull and squeeze that rear delt in the back, pulling that band across your chest, keeping your soft bend in your arm. One mistake I see a lot with rear delt flies is a lot of people lead with the elbows and then try to extend their arm. So you want to make sure that your arm is one unit with a soft bend. Pulling from the wrist, coming right across your chest, squeezing that shoulder behind. And that is a long band rear delt fly.